So this is my CMSC434 Impressionist Painter app. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by loading in an image. So I'll hit load image, and then I'm just going to choose these flowers right here and load it in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw with my paintbrush, and I'm going to use it in the square brush type. So square is the default, so I can just start drawing. And if you notice, if I go really slow, I get really small squares, and if I draw faster, we get much larger squares. So now we just fill some of this in. This nice yellow flower. Make it pretty detailed. Okay, so now basically we see how the squares tool is looking. We can change the brush again, and we can start using our circle tool. So the circle tool, well, circle brush is a lot like the square brush as it's driven by velocity. So if we draw slower, we get really small circles, and if we draw faster, the size of the circle gets larger. So it creates a pretty cool effect. So we can color some of this in just to fill out our picture a bit more. Cool. So let's fill all of this in. And then the next brush I implemented was the line type. So the line type is not like the square and the circle, so it's not dynamic. It doesn't change based on velocity. It just draws really thin lines. It's really good for precision and gives it a different look, a real impressionistic look. So we can draw in some of the background with this square tool, which is pretty, with this line tool, which is pretty cool. Okay, so then we can stop there, and then we can go back to the circle, because I really like that one. And we can fill it in some more with some larger circles. And it looks pretty good. So the next thing we can do is we can use the tool that I implemented. So I implemented this toggle right here, which changes the color from RGB color to black and white color, or grayscale. So what you do is you just toggle it, and you can see now it's in grayscale, and we can toggle back to RGB, and then we can color in some more. And that as well will go to grayscale or black and white, and then we can bring it back, and that's pretty cool. So then we can hit the clear tool, and we can clear our painting away. Are you sure you want to clear it away? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so then we can go back and we can start drawing again. A circular motion, which I think looks pretty cool. And then we can just say, yeah, that's enough. So we can go and save it. So we hit the save tool, and then it'll ask us, do we really want to save our painting? Yeah, I really want to save it. I'll hit OK. And then we can see the painting is saved. And then I'll just come out of here really quick. I'll go to my gallery. And then we can hit all pictures. And we can see that right here is the cool Impressionist painting we just drew. And that's it. Thanks so much, guys.